The Better Research program is all about helping people living with bipolar disorder improve their quality of life. We're interested in whether people with different experiences with bipolar disorder benefit from different interventions. And for the Better program, we're looking for people with bipolar disorder who have had fewer than 10 episodes of mania, depression or hypomania in their lifetime to trial our online programs. The programs have been developed by a team of international experts and are designed to help you learn new skills through videos of people with bipolar disorder sharing their experiences with you, learning materials, videos from mental health professionals, interactive exercises and tools, access to a personal online coach, and connecting with others with bipolar disorder through our forums. By signing up to the Better Research program, you'll not only get to try out one of the online programs, you'll be helping with research to improve the quality of life for people who experience bipolar disorder. So, if you think you have experienced fewer than 10 mood episodes, why not join with people around the world and sign up to be a part of the Better Research program. And if you're unsure what an episode is exactly, or how many you've experienced, please feel free to get in contact with us.